In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Expressvpn on your Android device. Whether you're aiming to secure your internet connection or simply want to enjoy streaming content without regional restrictions, this guide will get you connected in just a few easy steps. First, let's start by visiting the official website of Expressvpn. This is a crucial step because downloading the app from legitimate sources ensures you're getting the correct and most secure version. So, open your web browser on your Android device and head to the Expressvpn website, which is regarded as one of the top VPN services for both speed and privacy in 2025. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to find and tap on the My Account section. This is where you'll access your account details and subscription options. If you don't have an account yet, remember you'll need to sign up, so consider doing that beforehand. Once you've tapped on My Account, the next action is to sign in. Logging in is straightforward. Just input your registered email address and password to proceed. After successfully logging into your account, navigate to your Expressvpn dashboard. This is essentially your control panel, where you can manage all of your VPN settings and preferences. From the dashboard, look for the Devices section. This area is particularly helpful if you're using multiple devices, as it lets you manage each one individually. Next, you'll need to specify which device you want to set up. In our case, you'll be selecting an Android device. Tap on the Android option. This step is crucial because it ensures you'll be directed to the specific setup instructions tailored to Android devices, which helps avoid confusion with other operating systems. Once you've done this, follow the on-screen instructions provided by Expressvpn to download and install the app on your Android device. This typically involves downloading the app from the Google Play Store and installing it directly onto your phone or tablet. It's a simple process, but be sure to allow any required permissions that the app might ask for during installation. After the installation is complete, open the app and sign in using your Expressvpn credentials. You can now select the server location of your choice and hit the Connect button. Congratulations! You are now securely connected to Expressvpn on your Android device. Enjoy unrestricted, secure browsing and streaming from here on out. To wrap up, getting Expressvpn up and running on your Android involves just a few clicks and some basic setup steps. By following these instructions, you ensure your internet activity is encrypted and remain anonymous online. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips.